John is cooking chili on one of our Holland Grills, the KC pellet grill. He's got a pot. He's putting, tell us what you're putting in there, John.
About a pound worth of bacon.
Pound's worth of bacon.
Let that cook up real good.
What all will go into this? I see you got celery chopped up.
Celery, onion, chopped up and dyed. A pound of hamburger meat, a pound of pork, all ground up. Some tomatoes, some chipotle, some green onions, a little bit of brown sugar.
It's a good day for stew. It's cold and rainy where we're at for a good chili made on the Holland Grill. Not something you may think about doing on an ordinary grill. We'll have to check back with you later, John, when that's done. At the Holland Grill, that chili looks like it's done. Good and hot. Now tell us again what all you put in there. It's good. I just had a bowl of it.
Put in about a half pound of bacon.
Yep.
A pound of ground beef, a pound of sausage. Dice up an onion, dice up some celery. And then just some chipotle, green peppers, and a little bit of tomato sauce.
Put it in a, what kind of pot is that? Just a
Dutch oven.
Dutch oven? And how long did that take you?
About 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. You got chili on it. It's cold and rainy today. This is going to taste good. You can do it all on the Holland Grill. I bet that'd be good with deer meat.
It's good with anything.
Brisket, anything you want to put in there.
Done it with turkey. Done it with brisket, pulled pork.
Now this is kind of sweet. You got a lot of brown sugar in there or something like that?
Yep.
Okay.
Used our chicken and chop as a seasoning.
All on the Holland Grill. Thanks, John.